Getting the BASS WASAPI DLL error after a software update. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphan library and fix your app. I've linked the primary utility for BASS WASAPI in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This DLL file is an extension for the BASS audio library that provides support for the Windows Audio Session API, WASAPI. It allows for low latency, exclusive mode audio output for professional applications on PC. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the BASS sound system installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of BASS sound system is the fastest way to restore the BASS WASAPI DLL and get the program running again. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the BASS WASAPI. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like the BASS WASAPI DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing the BASS WASAPI and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing the BASS WASAPI from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.